different institutions having using different textbook.
Dah kispa angut kisamla puli bat ki kena skul kile shimbenta ha ka Jingiakop draw Jingdro na ka benta ka wat ka beningkong Jong ka International Water Conclave ka Pynlong ha District Library ka bahan Nongpo. Iba MB Tongper Additional Deputy Commissioner Jong ka Bhoi District ila penpau bagi Jingiakop beper hapo ka district kentup ia ka Jingdro Yakop kentip ki jing penmenapat ba bat ki jing tho slogan on Pynlong ha ka laiterik rempang ha Science Hall kinong job ha kini ki Jingiakop kin yo ia kalat ban mi khmat ia ka district Shaka state level ha ka International Water Conclave ka Pynlong ha ka khandai bat shipho tarik rempang ha nong ba Shillong.
There are many series of competitions which will be held, and today we're having the painting competition. This is the first phase which is done at the district level, and the finals will be done at the state level. There are other 4 programs which we have been told of. This is the public service announcement, the slogan writing, and the quiz competition. Most of these competitions are open to all except the quiz competition, which one part of it will be held with the schools and the colleges. This will be on the 3rd of February at 11 a.m. in the district Science Hall, Nongpo.